Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of October 7th, 2021. And the first question is, who among the following becomes the first Indian and Asian to smash 400 sixes in T20 cricket? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. KL Rahul, C. Rohit Sharma, and D. Sanju Samson. And the correct answer is C. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma becomes the first Indian and Asian to smash 400 sixes in T20 cricket. Rohit Sharma becomes 7th cricketer to smash 400 sixes in T20 cricket. Going to the second question. Who among the following has taken charge as MD of Life Insurance Corporation of India? The options are A. Shaktikanta Das, B. Indra Nui, C. Naveen Patnaik, and D. B.C. Patnaik. And the correct answer is C. B.C. Patnaik. B.C. Patnaik has taken charge as MD of Life Insurance Corporation LIC of India. And the third question is, which of the following has designed a delivery model drone response and outreach in Northeast, which is also called as iDrone? The options are A. ICMR, B. BARC, C. DRDO, and D. CSIR. And the correct answer is A. ICMR. ICMR has designed a delivery model drone response and outreach in Northeast, iDrone. This delivery model designed to ensure that COVID-19 vaccines reach everyone. This was the first time that a Make in India drone has been used in South Asia for supporting COVID-19 vaccine for an aerial distance of 15 kilometers. This distance was covered in 12 to 15 minutes from Bishnupur District Hospital to Loktak Lake. ICMR conducted the initial study in association with Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, for testing the capacity of drones to transfer and carry vaccines safely. ICMR conducted the study in Manipur, Nagaland, and Andaman and Nicobar. And the fourth question is, which of the following is set to send its Psyche mission to visit a giant asteroid called Psyche? The options are A. ISRO, B. NASA, C. ESA, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. NASA. NASA is set to send its Psyche mission to visit a giant asteroid called Psyche, which could be the frozen remains of molten core of a bygone world. Psyche asteroid orbits around the Sun in main asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter. NASA will send its Psyche mission in August 2022 launch. This spacecraft will orbit around the asteroid for 2 years. And the fifth question is, who among the following was elected President of the Asian Table Tennis Union? The options are A. Khalil Al Mohanadi, B. Kai Senzu, C. Leo Julian, and D. Imran Al Mohammad. And the correct answer is A. Khalil Al Mohanadi. Qatar's Khalil Al Mohanadi was elected president of the Asian Table Tennis Union. Al Mohanadi succeeds China's Kai Shinzu, who had held the position since 2009. Al Mohanadi is the sixth president of the Asian Table Tennis Union (ATTU). Khalil Al Mohanadi currently serving deputy president of ITTF, whereas ITTF is International Table Tennis Federation. And the sixth question is, which of the following city has become the first Indian city to join the Tumi e-bus mission? The options are A. Bangalore, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, and D. Mumbai. The correct answer is D. Mumbai. Mumbai has become the first Indian city to join the Tumi e-bus mission. Based in Mumbai operates the largest electric bus fleet in India with 386 e-buses. By 2023, the transport undertaking plans to add 1,900 electric buses to its fleet, whereas Tumi means Transformative Urban Mobility Initiative. And the seventh question is, which of the following franchise claimed their maiden Durand Cup football tournament title? The options are A. FC Mumbai, B. FC Chennai, C. FC Goa, D. FC Bangalore. And the correct answer is C. FC Goa. FC Goa claimed their maiden Durand Cup football tournament title. The Golden Glove for the best goalkeeper was won by Naveen Kumar from FC Goa. The Golden Boot for top scorer was won by Marcus Joseph, and the Gold Ball for the best player was won by Edu Bidia. 16 teams are playing in this edition of the oldest club football tournament in Asia. It is an annual domestic football competition in India which was first held in 1888. It is hosted by the Durand Football Tournament Society (DFTS). The tournament is the oldest existing football tournament in Asia. The tournament is named after its founder Sir Mortimer Durand. The most successful teams are currently East Bengal and Mohan Bagan. And the eighth question is, who among the following was appointed as president for Asia Pacific at Bata Global Group? And the options are A. Rajiv Gopalakrishnan, B. Sandeep Kataria, C. Graham Allen, and D. Thomas Bata. And the correct answer is A. Rajiv Gopalakrishnan. Rajiv Gopalakrishnan was appointed as President Asia Pacific at Bata Global Group. And going to the sports news, 2021 FIBA Women's Asia Cup was the 29th edition of the tournament, held from 27th September to 3rd October 2021 in Amman, Jordan. The tournament was originally set to be hosted by India. Japan beat China to clinch 5th straight FIBA Women's Asia Cup. Japan won their overall 6th title after beating China in the final. Australia captured the bronze medal by defeating South Korea. India's team finished 8th in 2021 FIBA Women's Asia Cup tournament. And the new appointments: Abiy Ahmed sworn in as Prime Minister of Ethiopia for second 5-year term. Abiy's Prosperity Party was declared the winner of parliamentary elections. Prime Minister's party won 410 out of the 436 parliamentary seats that were contested. He is the first Ethiopian and first Oromo to be awarded a Nobel Peace Prize in 2019. And Lieutenant General Nadeem Anjum appointed as DG of Inter-Services Intelligences of Pakistan. He earned the title of Mohsin-e-Balochistan for his services to eradicate terrorism. Inter-Services Intelligence is the premier intelligence agency of Pakistan. The Inter-Services Intelligence was created in 1948 following the First Kashmir War. And going to the awards section, Dr. Francis Christopher Rowland Robinson will receive the International Sir Syed Excellence Award 2021. Professor Gopi Chand Narang will be given the National Sir Syed Excellence Award 2021. These international and national Sir Syed Excellence Awards carry cash award 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Professor Robinson's research has been focused on the Muslim world, has explored the great movement of revival and reform in the Muslim world. Francis is a visiting professor at Oxford University and the University of Washington. He has served as the president of the Royal Asiatic Society from 1997 to 2000 and 2003 to 2006. Professor Gopi Chand Narang is a literary critic who writes in Urdu and English. His recent books on Ghalib, Urdu Ghazal and Mithaqi Mir have got widespread acclaim across the globe. He has been bestowed with the Padma Bhushan in 2004 and Padma Shri in 1990. Sahitya Akademi conferred on Dr. Narang its highest honor, the fellowship, in 2009. And going to the one-liners today, Hockey India withdraws from 2022 Commonwealth Games due to COVID concern. John Coetzee has been re-elected as President of World Taekwondo Oceania. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's personal secretary Shakti Sinha passes away. Girish S. Diodare elected as Director General of Aeronautical Development Agency. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down the dots below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.